Under Domestic Violence Act, it takes 3 to 4 months or long for the compensation to get released when a case is reported in the court by the victim for the compensation and maintenance.
I'm suffering from a long time for my marriage life. My husband, he was torturing me. He is beating me, and he was drunk or registered. I have filed a divorce case. It was in the cruelty ground because
In the past 6 months, there are more than 280 cases of domestic violence reported in the magistrate court. There is an increase in the number as compared to the last year, that is 654 cases in the court for the same charge.
It's the alarming because most of the women are affected. The number is the percentage is increasing because we are getting at least two, 3 calls every day.
Vanita Sahayavani says more women know their rights and are coming forward to complain against domestic violence. We come across with different kinds of violence against married women. It is sometimes because of early marriage, dowry, nuclear family, and extramarital affairs. As per the Karnataka State Commission for Women, there are 132 cases pending in the court as it takes more than a year to receive the verdict.
Cases must be conducted on a fast track basis and it has to be given more importance.
There are several cases pending in the courts and the victims are waiting for the judgments. Reporter Rachita Srivastav, CityCast.